welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today, for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram. And I will be showing you this process on PC. So for that, first thing is open a Google browser and click open new tab. There on the search bar, you need to type in www.instagram.com and press enter. This will open the official web page. So once you're at the official web page of your Instagram, you need to go click on more over here on the bottom left corner. Click that. And from here, you need to go to setting. Click on setting. So if you are not logged in into the account, first thing is you need to get logged in by providing your account credential. You need to type in a username and password. Make sure that you type in the correct username and correct password. Now once you're at this page, you need to go and click on Account Center over here and click on See More Account Center. Click that. It will direct you to this page where you need to go and click on password and security from the menu. Click that. Here you will have two options on the logging and recovery. Click on two-factor authentication. Now there, choose your Instagram account. Now once you click on two-factor authentication, you will be at this screen over here. From here, for you to turn off the two-factor authentication, you need to turn off the setting that you have saved for the two-factor authentication. So basically, these features help you get your account secure. So when you get logged in into a certain website or phone device, you will have to log in twice, or you will have a security measures. So the two-factor authentication currently that I have saved is text message. That is, once I am logged in, I will be getting a code on my phone number before I get logged in. So once I type in the code, only then I will be able to log in into my account. So click on text message over here, and all you need to do is you need to turn off this toggle over here. You click on this toggle moving to the left side, which will give you this pop-out. If you turn off two-factor authentication, your account will no longer have an extra layer of protection. You click on turn off, and with that your settings will be saved and you will no longer need the two-factor authentication on your phone device. So this is a way how you can turn off two-factor authentication on your Instagram on PC. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.